Over 800 wildfires are burning across Canada, causing severe air quality issues. This widespread smoke has now drifted across the border, affecting the northeastern United States. As of July 15, 835 fires were active across Canada, according to environment officials. Many fires are concentrated in central regions like Ontario, with 112 remaining uncontrolled. Toronto's air quality has deteriorated to the worst among major global cities, reports Reuters. The smoke also made New York City's air quality the fifth worst globally on the same day. Residents in Maine and Minnesota reported yellow or brown skies and burning eyes from the thick smoke. Environment Canada issued air quality alerts, advising reduced outdoor activity in affected areas. A record heatwave contributed significantly, with Toronto reaching 37.3 degrees Celsius, a 30-year high. Research shows heatwaves drive vegetation, increasing both new fire ignitions and spread.